Hay fever is very common nowadays. Every year in the spring or early summer, there are many people suffer from hay fever. In fact, the hay fever nowadays is not only for the hay season, like in the autumn or when have its harvest, even in the spring. So actually, it's kind of allergy. People have it to the pollens, to the flowers, to the many trees pollens. So anyway, so we still call them hay fever. In Chinese medicine, when we're treating hay fever, it's not simply like normal medicine. Patients are given some like antihistamine or to treating allergy, or even using stronger steroids to calm down the body to stop this allergic reaction. Indeed, the hay fever or whatever the reaction to the pollens are due to the allergy, the body. But the question will be asked, how come those people have allergy to those sort of pollens or things? And in fact, not everybody born with hay fever. Some people only develop hay fever very late stage. Or sometimes I have many of my friends from China. When they're in China, they have no hay fever. When they move to the UK, first few years, no hay fevers. But then later develop hay fever. How come this change? What's happening to the body? That's very interesting. So let's talk about allergy. Why our body allergy? In fact, the body have this allergy mechanism. In other words, it's kind of defense system. It's to protect yourself to any foreigners invasion to the body. So because in our body, if anything in our body, it's not like belong to ourselves. It's like we call foreigners. So the body will reject them and will clear them, because in that case, we were able to protect yourself. But sometimes this reaction becomes too much or too strong, and then that's cause problem. So that is called allergic reactions. Sometimes if your skin touch something, you get rashes. So that's kind of reaction. But if your lung inhale something, and then you have problems. The lung and the chest getting tighter, or nose getting sneezing all the time, or running nose. These are all reactions. So what do we need to do? We need to balance this reaction. On the one hand, we need the reaction to protect yourself. So if you use steroids, they will stop all the reactions. So therefore, in a way, it's not good. That's why if you use too much steroids, we'll get a more likely infection. But if it is normal reaction, as long as not too much, it's good for the body. So therefore, what do we call it? Balance the body, tune in the system, do it but not overdo it. So protection but not cause harm. So that is why in Chinese medicine, when we're treating this kind of allergy, very much to do, we call them spleen, lung, kidney, and particularly the kidneys. Kidney is the key organ that's responsible for the white cells and how they function. So therefore, strength kidney in long term will help the sort of hay fever, which is very common nowadays. Thank you.